MPH in Ramchandra Medical College Research Institute from Chennai, and I will providing you some critical analysis because from morning all are discussing about patient safety, patient safety. And here I am not saying nothing about the patient safety, but I will give some conclusion that what is really we have to think the critical analysis part, all the question marks. And my author, another Dr. Gyanandan Pradhan from IHMR Jaipur, he will be give some managemental overview and he will be really do the postmortem all of you. Proceeding and about the both of you go for patient safety in public healthcare institutions, a conceptual postmortem and critical analysis. The skeleton of our presentation will be objective of presentation, what is really the patient safety, the public healthcare institution in India, and patient safety in India some data, and the conceptual postmortem of the issue, which is the main factors responsible in public healthcare institution, the result of postmortem, what we get from our postmortem, and some critical analysis, and finally the conclusions. So the objective of presentation will be like to know how unsafe our patients, to whom we call as unsafe patients. They explore the hidden factors, what we can see that are all the known factors, but there are some hidden factors we will go through that, and how to create a culture of patient safety, because this is a multifactorial design, and some managerial suggestions to overcome of our tips. And I will start with this, how much unsafe our patient, to whom, if a patient to come at a primary healthcare center, he will came from 20 kilometers, so much distance, and he'll wait for a physician who is so busy, and he might be number of 101 or 102, he may not give 1 second. Is that patient will be safe? No. If that patient will be diagnosed properly, may not, he may come once again or twice again, that patient may become frustrated. That is patient safety? No. Either that physician or surgeon doing the right diagnosis? May not. Either he providing the real communication to the patient, how many times he is spending for the patient, is that patient is called safe? No. So this is not for any doctors to criticize, just I am saying that doctors are more dangerous than guns in USA. This is a from the statistical analysis from the biostatisticians,